When it comes to 3D printing, a comprehensive toolkit is essential. Let's dive into several options that cover everything from maintenance to precision handling. Number 1. Aorum 3D Printing Accessory Tools. If you consider yourself a serious 3D printing enthusiast, the Aorum 3D Printing Accessory Tools Kit is designed to become your new best friend. Right off the bat, this kit impresses with an extensive range of tools tailored to cover nearly every task you'll encounter, from nozzle cleaning to filament loading and even removing prints from the bed. This kit includes precision tweezers, an array of scrapers, needle files, a flush cutter, a mini screwdriver set, and various brushes, all housed neatly in a well-organized, sturdy case. The quality of each tool is visibly solid. The stainless steel tweezers feel robust yet precise, and the ergonomic handles on the scrapers really reduce finger fatigue during longer projects. Using the Aorum kit made routine maintenance feel less like a chore and more like a craft. I found myself appreciating the design thought put into the smallest tools, like the nozzle cleaners, which fit perfectly without risking damage. Number 2. Soval 3D Printer Tools Kit. For makers on a budget who still want quality, the Soval 3D Printer Tools Kit offers surprisingly good value without cutting corners. This kit includes the essentials: a scraper, a set of tweezers, a small set of hex keys, needle files, and a few brushes. Basically, the core toolkit you need for day-to-day 3D printer maintenance. The tools themselves are simple but well-made. The screwdriver handles fit comfortably in the hand, and the scraper is sharp enough to clean build plates without excessive effort. It's clear Soval aimed for practicality, rather than bells and whistles here, which in my experience works well if you don't want to be overwhelmed by too many obscure tools. One thing I appreciated was the neat carrying pouch, compact and padded enough to protect the tools while slipping easily into a toolbox or backpack. I found the hex keys particularly helpful for tightening components on my Soval 3D printer, which made routine adjustments smoother and faster. Number 3. Kayaho 3D Printer Tools Kit. The Kayaho 3D Printer Tools Kit caught my attention with its mid-range price point and thoughtfully curated tool selection. What's notable is how this kit balances functionality and quality for a truly versatile experience, especially if you print frequently and want to avoid downtime. Inside the kit, you'll find high-quality stainless steel tweezers, a durable pry tool, a set of precision screwdrivers, a scraper with a replaceable blade, filament clips, and cleaning needles. Each piece feels sturdy, and the handles on the screwdrivers have a grippier rubberized texture that's helpful when working in tight spots. Using it over several weeks, I noticed that the combination of ergonomic tools and variety allowed me to tackle tasks more confidently, from bed surface cleaning to nozzle unclogging and even delicate model finishing. There's something satisfying about having a tool that fits right in your hand, rather than struggling with makeshift substitutes. A small caveat is that the carrying case is on the slim side, offering slightly less protection during transport compared to bulkier kits. Number 4. Hijer 3D Printing Tool Kit. The Hijer 3D Printing Tool Kit combines style and substance in a way that caught me off guard. From the moment you open the case, you're greeted with an array of well-crafted tools that feel designed to last, making this kit suitable for hobbyists and pros alike. What sets Hijer apart is the attention to detail across every tool: stainless steel instruments polished to reduce rust, colored handles for quick identification, and even some unexpected extras like a nozzle wrench and a filament cleaning brush. The kit contains all the staples you'd expect: needle files, scrapers, tweezers, pliers, and more. Using the tools over time, I noticed they dramatically sped up my workflow. No more fumbling for the right screwdriver or risking damage using the wrong pry tool. For example, the precision knife with its replaceable blades made trimming prints smoother and safer. And when cleaning stubborn nozzle clogs, the included needles worked like a charm without risking damage. If there's any downside, it would be that the kit leans a bit towards the pricier side. While you get a premium feel, budget-conscious users might hesitate. Also, the case is larger than some other kits, which might take up extra desk or shelf space. Number 2. Fresco Automatic Vacuum Sealer. The Fresco Automatic Vacuum Sealer caught my attention primarily because of its affordable price and user-friendly design. As someone who's tried several sealers with mixed results, I was curious to see if this budget-friendly option could hold its own. After a couple of months using it for daily meal prepping and sous vide cooking, I'd say it offers excellent value without a steep learning curve. This model shines with its fully automatic operation. Just place the bag, press the button, and let it do the work. Its two sealing modes adapt well, depending on whether you're dealing with dry snacks or juicy marinades. The compact size makes it easy to store, and it surprisingly handles thick bags securely without errors. Another nice touch is its built-in cutter, which means no fumbling with scissors or extra tools. Number 6. Grenheat 3D Printing Accessory Tools. The Grenheat 3D Printing Accessory Tools kit strikes me as a well-rounded and thoughtfully assembled collection for those who want versatility without excessive clutter. It's priced comfortably in the mid-tier range, making it accessible without sacrificing quality. Inside the tight travel case, you'll find tools including precision screwdrivers, a multifunctional scraper, curved and straight tweezers, filament clips, cleaning needles, and even a specialized spatula for tricky print removals. The metal parts are robust, and the handle grips provide satisfying control during precise operations. Testing these tools during a recent print session, I felt confident tackling several maintenance tasks. The included brush helped clean off residual filament from the nozzle, while the scraper and spatula worked perfectly to lift prints from glass build plates without damage. I especially valued the variety of tweezers, which tackled everything from fine detail cleanup to removing stubborn bits. If anything, a larger carrying case or some modular compartments would make organizing tools easier for frequent travel or workshops. Currently, everything comes packed snugly, which could lead to minor jostling during transit. Number 7. Aobbopel 3D Printer Tools Kit. On first glance, the Aobbopel 3D Printer Tools Kit stands out for packing an impressively broad tool selection into a relatively compact form, making it a compelling option for those who print regularly and want to handle everything from routine upkeep to the occasional emergency fix. This kit offers all the essentials and more: a comprehensive screwdriver set including Phillips and flatheads, precision tweezers, flush cutters, several scrapers with replaceable blades, filament cutters, nozzle cleaning needles, and even a digital probe for bed leveling. The inclusion of high-grade stainless steel components alongside ergonomic grips really impressed me during handling. What really struck a chord was the thoughtfulness behind its design. The tools felt balanced in my hand during detailed tuning, and the assortment meant I never had to pause long looking for that perfect implement. The digital probe is a nice bonus that makes automatic bed leveling easier, if your printer supports it. Number 8. Yeeton 3D Printer Tools Kit. The Yeeton 3D Printer Tools Kit offers a solid blend of quality, practicality, and affordability that caught my attention immediately, especially from the perspective of hobbyists who want the common tools covered without unnecessary extras. This kit fits that mold nicely. Inside, you'll find an ergonomic set including hex wrenches, precision screwdrivers, tweezers, scrapers, needle files, and even a little brush for fine cleaning. The tool finishes feel smooth and well machined, and the handles are comfortable even after prolonged use on fiddly parts. During my time with the Yeeton kit, I found that the tools worked nicely for tasks such as disassembling extruder components, scraping off stuck filament, and tightening small screws. Despite not being a larger or overly complex set, it meets the core needs of most 3D printer users reliably. One minor area for improvement could be the carrying case, which is pretty slim and doesn't separate tools much. This might cause some minor scratches over time if you carry it about frequently, but if you keep it in a dedicated workspace, that shouldn't be an issue.